I think I'm live. Me we're live on YouTube. So you can now go to youtube.com, and then when you go to youtube.com, you just search for Ike Tech in Tree, right? We'll search for Ike Tech in Tree. You will see me we're live. I think it should be able to tell you that I'm live. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm live. Hey, Nani, if a platform bends on I'm live. Hold on. You should be able to see it from my video's name. Anna. Oh yeah, there you go. We will say me live. You see Canva clone. Yeah, Tibo Munko Mubenya. Why? To tell you that I'm live. Yeah. Okay. So me were live YouTube. Intino. More person munya the YouTube experience, munya the feel of it, like the wow of it, Maybe oh yeah. Charlie, send me WhatsApp message now me reply. Why? Okay. Right. Okay. Yes. So now you're live YouTube. But you're waiting me join YouTube now. Now when you're the HD quality of it, na bibian so to me I kama na yakoyenim. So now we have this right here. Now the next thing we're probably going to do is say I will see you to be money clickable. Right. And that is the trickiest part. I want the trickiest part now. On say this container you bet me wrap it with a widget be a friend gesture detector, right? So gesture detector no a detective when you have tapped on something, right? So you'll be a friend on tap. So with this on tab no we can literally do something, right? You bet me IBB. I say by default class set here, I'm say widget dot is selected equals to widget dot is not selected, meaning say this is what is going to happen. We with the code now, there are mimia we so on say is selected Nico, but mimia so anaba. You see, but that is not what we need. That is not the style we actually need, right? If you click on this, it should be static, right? But when you click on other one, it should move to the other one. That is basically what we we probably want to get, right? I mean, Anna Mojina was saying that is what we want to get. Right, that is what we want to get. And on any so this is what we have come across, and this is how we're going to do it. You see, on tab your widget dot is selected. So yam paper first thing first. You better check it. Say is selected. A widget dot is selected equals to hold on. Yen say. Okay, so you be create a callback. Callback action. You friend callback action. Now, with a hand yembe required this dot callback, right? Okay. Required this dot callback. So inside here, instead say your bemano on tap whatever the man callback. Right, so we can say callback. Yeah, so widget dot callback, just like this, right? And this is telling us what? Oh, we are using a callback function. So the argument type callback function, which is intent, can be assigned to the parameter type gesture callback. So basically, let's use an ink well near here. So inkwell and so should be the same thing, but I don't know if we are using like a button. I think a button should probably be able to okay, you're happy way with a text button. I just want to check something and see. So with the text button we have like on pressed and then use widget dot callback near here. No, it's still not working. So this is what we're gonna do. Instead of callback need a bit but instead of using a callback, you use var because we don't know we can decide to say this is a global variable. You bet me assigning anything we want to assign to it, right? Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, but your mom will comment about me I am restructuring your, I'm just attending to you. Okay, right. Until no mama men back to the code in kakra. So now here we have to add on press. Meaning say if we press on something, how is it gonna be? Right. So yebema no callback. So callback is gonna be on press. So you better copy way now. We just copy this. We come here, we paste it. We come here, we paste it. We come here, we paste it, and we come here, we paste it. Right, just like that. So I mean, all is good here. Say Bibian crash ya. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And you can clearly see the gesture detector style. Like you can see, say it has like a sort of an inkwell pressing style. Bisano. I mean. You understand what I'm talking about? So I think, say, since the button is actually wrapping up with an inkwell, the column should be wrapped up with the inkwell instead. I don't know. Send a bear anchor. No. Hold on. I just want to make sure the style is, really applying to the entire thing. So let's see. Ink well. All right. So with the ink well, on top, we have this on top. We copy that and we just bring it down here. And let's just remove this on top near here. Maybe somebody say if it's gonna be curved. Oh, nice. It is curving around. You see, it has that kind of curve feel around it, so it's good. Now click here is gonna happen, right? So now you go back to your dashboard. We have this menu and we are hoping for it to have the click effect, right? So inside the hand you use set state, right? So inside this set state this is what we're going to do. First of all, maybe create booleans. So bool me friend bool ebia menu 1 mean setting it to true, bool menu 2 false, menu 3 bool, menu 3 false, menu 4 false, menu 5 false. I think it's 5 of them, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, 6 of them, right? So bool menu 6, right? So we have these menus, right? So instead say you be assign more manually wahano, we be menu 1, see, we be menu 2, we be menu 3, we be menu 4, we be menu 5. Now we are here menu 6. Awesome. Now since we are just a crashing baby, oh, no error, we are good to go. I think we are gradually heading up. We're good to go. Nice. Now the next thing you're probably gonna do, and say with the set state in your Rebecca, fine. Rebecca say if menu 1, you're checking menu 1, now say equals to true there, and yeah, you see menu 1 should be true and menu 2 should be false, like this. Menu 3 should be false, menu 4 should be false, menu 5 should be false, menu 6 everything should be false, right? Else anyesa na say in the opposite way. If no, we just keep it like this, no even else, right? Or we can simply set, we shouldn't even use the if statement here. We can literally use like we can use like this. Say menu 1 should be true, menu 2 should be false, menu 3 should be false, like this kind of style. Right, so you can copy all this set state. We menu 2, right? So now menu 1 will be false and menu 2 will be true, right? Just like that. We come to this, menu 1 will be false, menu 3 will be true, right? Then we go again, menu 4. So this is going to be true, this is going to be false. Menu 5. So menu 5, this is going to be false, menu 5 is going to be true. Last but not the least, menu 6. So menu 6 is going to be true, this is going to be false. That's all you read. So now when we go back to our code, look at this. We click on this, you see they are now selected. No matter whatever you click on, it is selected. You see, really nice. And I don't know about, we've basically built a side menu which is so awesome. Now the next thing is to work with this kind of green color way. Let's basically work with it. Yeah, let's let's work with it. Let's work with it. Okay, good. So now the next thing we're probably going to do, and I said, you go back to the dashboard. Now menus, we are done with the menu columns. We're not going to tackle the menu columns again. Like we are really good to go. The menu is really working fine, so fine. I don't know, but if concerning the menu you don't understand anything, you could probably let me know. Now the next thing we're going to tackle is this second one, which is the green bar. But let's see how it actually looks like. So this is how it's looking like right now. Yeah, so looking at the color and looking at the design we are depicting from, you can see with this there is some sort of line BL inside, like in between this line, right? So that is what we're gonna polish right now. Yeah, we're gonna make it so amazing, like well polished. Now how can we do this? It's very simple. You see, we have something here. Let's add a container right here, right? And now with this container we will only specify the width to have the width of maybe 5. Now let's set the color to it like colors.gray, like a gray color, like that. Now look at what is going to happen. You could see a line in front of this. You see, very beautiful. But let's reduce the line to like 2, the width of it. Let's reduce it to like 2. Oh, nanko for we so no mo yemi. I was for TikTok for some my violation. Me name violation crime ma violate here. Omo report to my account no mo hwe. They should be very careful. They should be very careful because me nya hwe dey ben pa na my ya me dey violate YouTube. Me your friends say me dey violate TikTok. I was munko YouTube na me be ende TikTok live no. Because me I don't know why they are putting this kind of pressure on me. I don't know. I don't blame them. All right, so yeah, Yanyani BB say I think that's really good and it's really nice for this. You know, to me cry and BB say 1, like 1. I think 1 is good. Like 1 is, it's gonna be a very thin line. Perfect job done. Perfect. So perfect. Now, so with the next thing, it's gonna be like the same thing, because see here Canva, we look at how Canva is. It has that kind of thin line, and it was so right. It was so. So now you build this side for it, like we build this side for it. You build this side for it. Nice. So with this side, which of course we want to build it from that side. No, is very good. Nice. So this is what we're going to do. first thing first, I will need like the Canva logo, like Canva no the logo no. I don't know, but I'll try and find the Canva logo. Maybe I may have it. No, okay, Canva logo PNG. Okay, yeah, sure. I think maybe I'll get the Canva style logo. Maybe share the no, I don't need this one. Maybe yeah, this is good. So we save this as an image, our image and downloads. That's fine, no problem. We will just pick it from there. Nice. So now we go back to the Flutter. We need that guy. So yanko now inside your pop spec YML no. Before that, you create a folder in front of assets. Okay, now inside your pop spec YML no, yamra down ha. Yeah, yamra down ha. Now inside the asset, yeah, uncomment it. Yeah, because we will be creating an assets folder for this. Then we just remove this from here, just like that. Nice. So we have an asset folder. So what we're gonna do is say a tam r ne the ababeto yeah assets directory name. So we have the r in here. Now my copy r no path no, right? The path of it. Now let's go to the dashboard. This container should also have a child, which is going to be a column, right? But this column should have a children, but the column should be wrapped up with a single child scroll view. And overflow, right? So we need an image which will be image.asset, and the image is going to be the path to your image, you know. Perfect. Now what are we seeing here? I think the image is probably telling us image. Also then image can be assigned to the parameter type image provider. So this is what we're gonna do. Yankati all this yankati way in free her. So image use asset image, right? Like this. And let's say assets slash r.png, like that. Then we just end this up like this. Now you see it should be able to show us the image right here. So we don't see the image. The reason why is we have to close this and we have to restart the entire project again, so that we can probably see that, right? Okay, so Yansan rerun biom near how it's gonna be. Okay. All right. Hey, Radia, so all right. Okay, good. So now let's continue. I don't know why the image didn't come. Oh yeah, I think we have to specify a size for the image. More fan cheme. Yeah. I think I have to. Yeah. So yeah, let's wrap this with a container, right? Like we wrap it with a size box instead of a container. Let's set the height. The width is going to be around like the width is going to be around like 100, and the height, let's see only the width, and let's see. I don't know why the image is not showing up here. I just have no idea. I have no idea. Let's see something here. Let's see if we can add a color to this, like a color. Colors.gray. So let's make this a container, right? I don't know why the color is not, projecting here. I just don't know why. I don't know why. Oh, what? Baby, I'm the oh, it should be inside here. Sorry, matter why. It should be inside here. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, color green and you width in free. I think we should even remove the container from there, because we don't need the container. Yeah, I think it should be able to work like this. Perfect. Now we should give it like a size, like a width, a width of it to be around there 120. That should be fine. Yeah, I think 120 should be good. And when we look at the design now, like the design we have now, you see the Canva is pinning to the, I think it's pinning to the right, to the left side instead. So let's see what we can probably do with this image. Align it this with an alignment, align. And with this align, we will say alignment dot center left. That should be fine, and this should be aligned to the left of everything. We good. This is awesome, right? This is really awesome. Now with the entire thing we have here, which is the single child scroll view, you wrap it the entire single child scroll view with a padding, so that we will get some little padding around it, right? So you can see we have a padding just around it, right? So the next thing we're probably going to do is to okay, the next thing we're probably going to do is reformatting. Now baby image, this is where the image ends, right? So the next one is going to be a container, right? So we have a container like this, and the child of the container is going to be a row, and the row of the container, the children of the row, you bring a icon, and this icon is going to be icons.add, like that. And then we set the color to be colors.white, right? Then after sa icon, where we add a text, and this text is going to be create a design, right? And we're good to go, right? But one thing is, we are returning a column here which shouldn't be there, right? So we have this, we save this, we should probably see that guy, right there. You see this guy, you see this guy, right? So we basically have to design this so it's going to be much more awesome and interesting, right? So with this container, we have to add a decoration, which is going to be a box decoration. Then the next thing we're going to do, and it's you see I'm not going to use a row for this, because I can literally use use something called a floating action button dot extended, right? And it has on press function and also a label. So the label is probably going to be a row, and the row should have a children, and the children should have an icon, which is going to be icons.add with a color, which is going to be colors.white. And then we have a text, which is going to say create a design, right? Just like that. Now you say you now see we have a button, right? We have a button, but not really matching up to how we want it to be, right? Shadow in free, we don't need a shadow, it's a flat button. So with a floating action button, we have something called elevation. We set it to 0, and now look, we have a flat button, right? We have a flat button. Now with the width of it, with the width of the container, media query dot media query query dot off context dot size dot width. No dot size dot width. Send a at least a best stretch it. Awesome. This is so amazing, right? This is so amazing. So share the color of it, like the background color. So the background color is going to be icon selected icon color. I mean, that should be the same color for the button. Nice. And let's set the text color of it, like the text color. Let's give the text a style, which is going to be a text style. We set a color to colors.white. Okay. All right, so let's just reformat this, and there you go. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. So with the entire thing, let's try and wrap a padding around. We already have a padding adding to this, so like 18 near how it's probably gonna be. Oh man, now I'm not feeling this. Like, it's too close to this. Right, it's too close to this. Oh, hold on. I think I'm giving the padding to the container instead. What is this? Let me just cut this. What is this? I should give it to this container. No. This column should be wrapped up with a single child scroll view instead, right? So you better wrap it away with a single child scroll view, and we wrap this up with a padding. Then we add the padding to the edge insert, should be symmetric.all, and that should solve the problem. Yeah, so you see we have a little bit of padding here, but since we are using, I don't know why this is being okay. Oh, hold on. Okay, so you had the column. No, we should have a main axis alignment dot start, and we should have the cross axis, should be cross axis alignment dot start. Right, here. I don't know why this is not pinning to the top. Let me check it from here. So we have a container and a container here. So the child is a single child scroll view. I think when we remove the single child scroll view, it should be able to return to the top. Perfect. This is awesome. So the next thing we're probably going to do is add the recent text, right? So from the down here, before this guy, add a sized box. Oh, I cried the amami, but with the text, we're just gonna say recent designs. Okay, let's see. Nice. So with the recent designs, let's set the font is not going to be bold. It's going to be just okay. Let's set the font size to like 15, and let's set this to regular. Yeah. Oh, normal. Sorry, me code react. Okay. So yeah, regular. I think normal is good. Now you set the color of it to gray, right? So oh, font weight, and I was here, so font weight is gonna be font weight dot bold color, like color should be colors dot gray. That is perfect. So you see here we have a gray color. That is awesome. But the size box, which we have here to be 10, let's make it like 30 to push it a little bit down. That is perfect. This is so amazing, so nice. Now the next one we're probably going to do is add a list style, right? So the next one is going to be a list style. So add a list style. So this list style has a title that is basically going to be a text, and that is going to be the project name. So untitled design, right? By default is going to be untitled design, just like that. And after that, let's see how it's gonna be, right? So we have like untitled design right here, right? So I mean, we will add this same size box after this text so that we will get this on title design to be separated. That is absolutely awesome. Now we have something called leading. So about title, you will leading. So the leading is going to be a container which will have a width of maybe 70 and a height of 70, with a decoration and a box decoration with a color of colors dot gray, right? Gray. Now with this gray color, it's going to be nice. Like we will say, we have it like this, right? It's going to be something like this, right? So meaning say the 70 style should be like 50-50. Oh, come on. Nice. I think 50-50 is good. So now let's design it a little bit, like again styling a little bit. So we add like a border radius, which is basically going to be the border radius dot circular. Let's make it like 10. That's fine. And now we should have something like this. Perfect. So we should add like on top for this. Oh, let's set it to like 40-40. Yeah, I think this is perfect. So after this we add on top so that it can be tappable. Bravo, I know what thing, so that it can be tappable. I say it can be, tappable, something like this, right? So you add a 4 or 5 to this, and let's see how it's probably going to respond to the entire thing, right? So since we have this list style, we're good to go. So we can copy this list style, then we add 1 2 3 4, right, like that. So let's see how it's gonna be like this. Awesome. So basically that is gonna be the the entire thing. I mean, it's really good. It's really good. Like, I really love it. I really love this kind of style. I love the kind of style. So this is good. Nice. If we have any design, we can actually change the design and assign the design to it, and it's going to be fine. It is definitely going to be fine. So let's add the last thing, which is the select all. So with that being said, now you add a sized box with a height of ABR 40. Then we add a text, and this text is going to be see all, and we have a style like this is going to be purple. Great. Let's see how it's going to be. Nice. So we have like the see all. So you can use the icon color instead of purple. So like I say, selected icon color. Nice job. Now let's bold this a little bit, like you're bolding a kakrabi. So with the font size, let's make it like 13 should be fine. Oh no, no BB to say 15. I think 15 should be fine. Yeah, 15 is good. So we know you better know an ink label. Oh, you better use text button instead. So with a text button, the child is going to be a text with this, right? And we should have a style for this. That's fine. So from here we should have unpressed. So the unpressed is going to be like this, and we're good to go. Right, that's awesome. Nice. Okay, so let's refactor. Let's see what we have here. Nice. Let's see. Oh, now it's clickable. That is awesome. It's really clickable. So let's try and center this a little bit. So you can see this is really centered. So Yamaha, let's make this like 20, and with this text button, yang aligning in the center of it. Awesome. Perfect job done. Ejumanesi. So the Canva project is really, becoming unbecoming. I mean, I'm really loving this. Charlie, if you are loving this, let me know in the comment section. And a YouTube one, so I mean, who feel or YouTuber, mami, wadama. If you are feeling on YouTuber, mami, say who feel or YouTuber, mami, say who feel or YouTube so am pacho, mami, wadama. Say who feel or YouTuber, wadama, mami. Say who feel or YouTuber, mami. Say who feel or YouTuber, mami. Okay, so yeah, so I think we're probably good to go. Now the next thing we're gonna do is build this side, this side, and also a little bit of tricky, but anything we can do it, right? So you better build it this side, this top side, no, and on the idea you better build it, but you can skeleton the entire thing, right? We will skeleton everything. So the next thing we're probably going to do is build this kind of window. No? So young here. So we have this expanded to be a container, and the child of the container is going to be a card, right? We have a card for this. Save this, and there you go. We should have a card. Yeah, we have a card, but we can't see the card. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Great. So let's see where the child is going to be a column with a margin and one the list of one and then the one the ben auto completion, no? Or auto completion. You say so the child is going to be a column, right? So inside this column we should have a children of a column. Then we add a row. Inside this row should have a text field and a circle avatar, right? And no, it's not okay. Yeah, a circle avatar, right? So yenye the same here. All right, so this is how it's looking now, but that is not good. That is really not good. So I don't know why this is really not working. Let's see. I think the container should be wrapped up with a card instead. So we take the card from here, or let's just take the row from here, column, and the card should also be gone. Yeah. So the child of this is going to be the column, and the children of the column is going to be the row. That should be fine. Let's see. Oh man, this thing is messing up. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, so since we have this container, yeah, added a decoration to this to be a box decoration. Then we set the color to be colors.white, right? Like that. Yeah, sure. So we have the white color. So you unwrap the entire thing with a pattern. A pattern like 18. So we have a pattern like 18, right? So maybe hair color, no? Yeah, this color 25. Yeah, found this color. So color dot from ARGB 255. Oh, come on. 25. Yeah. So the next thing we will do then is you better add with the decoration here, add the border radius, which is going to be border radius dot circular. You use 20, right? Near mano afternoon shadow, box shadow. So box shadow is going to be box shadow. Then we give it a color like, you know, a blackish color, you know. Let's see how it's going to be. Nice. So you see, it is coming out good. Like, it is coming out good, just as we wanted it to be. It is really, really coming out good. And I'm really, really loving this. It's coming out good. Let me know in the comment section, say, if it is not coming out good, if we are missing something, let me know. Now, we need like a search box here and something here, right? Like, you know, two separate things. So this is what we probably gonna do. Inside our container we already have like a container. So the child is going to be a column, right? The child is going to be a column, just like this. Hold on, just like this, right? So you could see we have a text. The text should be shown somewhere here. Where is it? Where is the text anyway? Oh, I think the text color is white, right? Okay, about us. Why? Yeah, about us. We actually don't need about us. Yeah, we have the column, right? So with a column, we would have a row inside a column. Let's set the children to be a text field like that, and a circular avatar. Yeah, sure. Oh, am I getting any error? So, oh yeah, I think I have an error here. Undo that. Oh, there should be one more here. Okay. Oh man, I don't know why this is behaving this way whenever I add the row and, you know. Hey, huh? All right. So I don't know why, but it's okay. You add a text. So with this text, oh yeah, we add a circular avatar near here. Yeah, so we have a circular avatar. Yeah, add the radius to be 80 near here. 80 sondodo. Yeah, no be 40. Yeah, 30. I think 30 no is good. So with the entire column, we should wrap the entire column with a padding. Yeah, then we're good to go. Yeah, I think it's good. Now with this radius, after this radius we're wrapping with a row. I think it's a row ne bemwana say no. I don't know. Oh yeah. Row ne bema. Okay. So the child of the row, we will add a column, which will have the column is gonna have a children, and one is gonna be a text, and the text is gonna be tech solutions, style, font size, whatever. And the next one is going to be a text, which is going to be Microsoft Technologies, right? Just like this, right? So it's going to be like a subtext. Yeah, that I mean, this looks more professional, right? So with the column, no, you'll be referring to main axis. So the main axis is going to be start. We see, great. Let's see the cross axis. Cross axis dot start. That is good. Nice. Now we have to padding the entire column. So padding column no. let's wrap the column with a padding. That is perfect. Super. Now with the tail of it, let's add an icon button. So after this row, no, yeah, so after this row, where is it? After this row, no, yeah, add the icon button. So the icon button is going to have on press. The icon is going to be icons dot arrow down. Okay. Oh, so yeah, no, arrow down. I don't know. Okay. Okay, that's really good. Nice. So your button why a bit me right. So you say with the with the way no use main as dot end. All right. Good. Now Baba Shetokrumu. I mean, we really getting there. Like we are really getting there. Huh? I was your mommy who comment. Let me know your comment. If we are getting there, mommy, why? If we are really getting there, let me know. If we are really getting there, let me know. Let me know. Mommy who comment section I say. Yeah, circular avatar. Yeah, 25, like 25 is good. Good. This is really good. Now the next thing is the notification and then the settings. So notification and the settings will come in front of the circular avatar, right? So we have icon button, and this has an on press, and definitely is going to be icons dot notification. Yeah, notifications. Set the color to be colors dot black, and we save this. Right. Awesome. So let's increase the font size a little bit, but you better padding, no, right? Let's padding this a little bit. Yeah, so we padding this a little bit so it can be standalone. That's good. And the next thing is we copy the same thing, we paste it again, and now this is going to be, instead of notification, about settings, right? Outlined settings. Oh, we have settings outlined. Good. This is good. So settings outlined, near here, notifications outlined. This is perfect. So we are getting exactly the same thing, just as Canva looks like. I mean, this is a great achievement, guys. This is very, very great achievement. I mean, what do you think? Like, let me know in the comment section. What do you think? Are we gradually moving? What do you think? Let's add the floating action button. Yeah, add the floating action button. So with the floating action button, it's very simple. Yemrasra. After the scaffold, let's add a floating action button. So the floating action button. So with the on press is going to be like this, right? And we should have a child, which is going to be an icon, and this is going to be help, right? Yeah, like help, like this. Yeah, I think this is good. So we should Mati, remember. So we should have like a floating action. Oh, help outline. Oh, come on, you got to be kidding me. Yeah, this is nice. Good. So we have our floating action button right down here. Let's set the color to the icon color. So the color of the floating action, so the background color is going to be selected icon color. Perfect. Now let's set the icon color to white. So color is going to be colors.white. Awesome. Awesome. So you see, this is getting, really, really good. Like, we are getting closer to the aims and objective we have. Like, we are really, really getting closer. What do I say? I think, sir, we able to me, I can say, use material. I think, see, able to me use what we can use here. We have hover elevation, hover color, splash color, mouse. I don't know about it. All the same, no. Oh, okay. Yeah, we can wrap this with a container, right? Like, we wrap this with. Oh, you're wrapping it with a clip erect. Then we add a border radius, which is going to be border radius dot circular. Let's make it like 100. I don't know how this is going to be, but yeah, that gives us the round circle thing. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is really, really good. Now, the next thing we're probably going to do is what will you design today? No? So this is what I have this here, and I'm going to make something out of this, right? Like this guy. I don't know, they don't give you opportunity to right click. So the next thing I'm probably going to do is I'll just snip it. So my main code new na snip away, no? Yeah, so I'll just snip from inside here like that, like this. So with this, I'll just save this as a banner. I'll just call this, I made the backup pictures. Now my friend banner. So banner.png. Oh, my main friend of ban.png. So with this ban.png, I'll just add it to the main project, right? So yamraha nianko pictures yanko ban. So which is going to be come on, you got to be kidding me, bro. Yeah, you have ban. So this is the banner. So may the back call the entire project in him, right? So we drag and drop the banner here. Good. So we copy this entire location. So yanko to the dashboard, right? So we have this, we have this, we have that, we have everything. All is good. Let's try and add a const to everywhere to fix all the problem. Nice. So now after this whatever header, whatever row, we still have a column, right? So after this, we will add an image, which is going to be image asset image. Then the image is going to be our image path, right? So we save the image and we should be able to see the image. Congratulations. Well, it is not finding the image because we have to close the app and then come again, right? So let's do that. Like, we close the app, we close the system, stop it, and then we run it again. And basically this should be able to give us like I don't know how to say this, but it should be able to give us the image. Yeah, let me know from the comment section, like, what you guys think. And then our general, how do you think this is going? Like, where do you think this is heading up to? Let me know in the comment section, so everything is going to be nice. And yeah, okay, here's the image in the bar. Wow, so we are really getting there. We are really getting there. So with this image, we can basically wrap this with a clip erect, right? So you're better wrapping it with a clip erect, and we add like a border radius dot circular. 10. And we should have the style, like, it's really coming out good, right? It's really coming out good. Now this is what I'm probably going to do. Instead of clip erect, I'll use a container, right? And this box border radius is going to be inside a decoration, which is going to be a box decoration, right? And after this whole decoration, I would like to add a width of this container, which is going to be media query dot of context dot size dot width. And since it is still stretching, I will divide the size by 1.5. So divided by 1.2. Yeah, 1.2 is good. Nice, but I think we still have to make it like 1.5. Let's see. That is perfect, but we still have to get a padding around it. So let's padding the container, like we wrap the whole container with a padding. That is perfect. Now let's add the border radius to this. So we have the decoration, we have the border radius. So I don't know why it is not applying. Oh yeah, the image shouldn't be okay, let's add the clip out rect. So the clip out rect, then we copy the border radius, then we just add it right here for the border radius. Nice. I mean, this is really good. This is really coming out good, just like how Canva really looks. Hey Charlie, no, we have to style it, like we have to expand it. It shouldn't be divided by whatever we are dividing. So let's make it like divided by 1.1, so that yeah boy, this is good. this is absolutely good. I mean, I really love this. This is really good, bro. Trust me, this is really good. Okay, so the next thing we're probably going to do is what we are going to design these guys. You see these guys, yeah, these guys, yeah. So it's going to be somehow simple, but really complicated in a way. I mean, it's going to be a little bit tricky, but yeah, and I'm no can for grade and can for the day. I say. Okay, so yemfa and on count. So you better add a sized box with a height of 10. And after that, we will have a row. So the row will have children. Children no ebenya container. Column. Ebenya container, right? So within this container, we will set the width to ABR 70, the height to 70, right? The width to 70, the height to 70. We add the decoration box. Decoration, we set a color to be colors.gray, right? Like a gray color, right? You see, if we see here, we should probably see the gray color right there. But one thing I'll probably do, say, with a row, no, I'll just say main axis is going to be main axis dot space evenly. I think space between, I think we should use space evenly. Yeah, space evenly should be fine. Send a best center. Great, this is awesome. Now we have to decorate it, like we give it a border radius. So the shape of this is going to be box shape. Oh, come on, box shape dot circle, so that it's gonna be a little bit of circled around it. Nice, good job. So now we can add the icons in there, right? Good. So I don't have the icons, but I'll try and add my own icons. So the child of this is going to be icon, which is going to be icons dot so I bet icons dot laptop bibisa. Yeah, then we set the color to selected icon color, something like this. Let's see. Nice. I think this is good. So let's see the size of it. So we go like the size is gonna be around there 20. I think 20 is good. Oh, and you know, around 30. Yeah. Yeah, 30 is good. So you share the color of it. No? Let's use like this color. I mean, this color wouldn't be bad. On a white color, it shouldn't be bad. Awesome. Amazing. This is so amazing. This is good. So the next thing we're gonna do, no, and it's we will duplicate this multiple times, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it's gonna go like 11 times, right? So we have this, and although it's a column, so we add a text beneath it, and this is gonna be desktop prototype. Good. We save this, we should have that desktop prototype. That is good. So let's just wrap this with a padding, a little bit of padding. Yeah, that should be fine. And we will just copy the entire thing, like the column we copy. Okay, nice. So this is what we have, and I think it's good. Okay. All right. I think so. The emphasis here, because we will work on it and then change it, right? But it be a colors no. You bet me as a son, right? So when you know, maybe they say let's see the color to be like an amber color. Any green. Nayenye way color no to be yeah, this color. Share blue. Way okay. Way, so this can be pitch black, right? Yeah. Okay, Yanshe. Nice. So we really get in there. So apart from this, rest in our colors never white. So selected color, we say colors dot white. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Nice. So I think since Ayenya we're good to go. The last one to do is the recents, like the recents near the Abanerie. Yeah, I think we've been streaming for how long? Yeah, we've been streaming for how long now? Oh, almost 2 hours. I think this is good. In fact, we in the pen county for the day. Yeah, so we will come back again and then continue to work on the entire project. This is really good. Yeah. So after this, let's try and add like after this row, we add a sized box with a height of 20. That's good. And after that, we add a row. So the row, the children, is going to be a text which is going to say, what is it? The text is going to be recent designs, right? And the style is going to be a text style with a font size of 18 and a bold. That's fine. And we add an icon button, and this will have an on press function, and the icon is going to be icons which is icons dot more horizontal, or something like that related to that. Let's see. So we have that here. That's fine, but we should be able to okay, so with a row now you're setting main as so the main as is going to be main as dot space between, and also with the font size, let's set it to around 22. That should be fine. Nice. And we should wrap it with a padding to match up this, right? So this guy, okay, we will. Oh, where is this thing?